Taking number one off. We jacked it up a little bit, and it did spin. The wheel did spin, so that's good. At least one brake's not stuck. It looks like somebody put new pads on this sucker at some point. It does move. Oh. Yeah. Just the old girl just needs a little help. Just a little help. It's got the old saw blades to throw on for now. Should be pretty retro looking. Look at there.
Good to go.
I don't know, this might look kind of cool. When those wheels came with my other truck, I didn't really like them, but I don't know why I'm like starting to kind of like them.
Yeah.
And especially with the aluminum little step board with the lights, like all aluminum. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know. I still like the Steely's the best though. 4 slots. Then I like the wagon wheels. Then I like the saw blades. Boom. Very nice. Up, up, and away. We got a ball in the oil filter. Looks kind of new. Oh, sorry. It's a long old girl. Redneck limousine. There she is. That thing sits like perfect.
Yeah, it does.
She just sits right. I like it. Cool. The funnest part, getting a workout. That's what I'm talking about. One inch at a time. Sometimes that's what it takes. Pete, we thought yous was a toad. Do not seek the treasure.
Custom with a K.
Yep, custom with a K. It's really nice. 11,000 pound rated trailer hitch. That'll be real safe.
I think it's 1,100 pounds.
Oh, 1,100. Okay, excuse me. Sorry. 1,100 pound homemade hitch. Well, interesting.
I call it hay.
We've almost got the sucker all the way there. Well, we made it back to Hudson's house. Comes with a little gardening kit here. Very nice. She's a long old girl. Just needs a little help, a little attention. Hopefully we can get it to run. first so you don't spill anything. I think she's out. Yeah.
See how bad this is.
Oh. Interesting. Interesting.
That's what I like to see is a little bit of rust in my air cleaner.
Yeah, that's right. It's really not that dirty though. You know, I swear the guy who had it, whatever guy gave it to you, I swear he spent money or he did it or somebody did it and fixed it up.
Did some maintenance.
And then something happened, which,
yeah.
I mean, hopefully we'll find out. Something happened and they parked it.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, that's obviously ruined now, but the paper's not dirty. It's pretty white.
Yeah, it's clean. All the filters look new on this thing.
Yeah, the oil filter looks new. I mean, that one looks kind of new, but I doth not know. I can vacuum some of that out of there. There she is, the old 6.9. Well, we got turnage. It's trying to run me over. It's in gear. Well, motor turns over. This fuel tank here, I think is empty. So I think we're gonna slam, and it's the fuel selector in there is set on the front tank, and it's a dual tank truck. So we're gonna leave it, not touch that thing. Maybe slam 5 gallons in it, put a new fuel filter on it, and see if we can crank on it, see if she'll go. Got a farm truck Jim here. Is it 94? 95. 5-speed ZF5 with the old power choke in there. She's a sweetheart. Oh, got quickies, huh?
Oh yeah.
Nice. Nice. Of course, I can hear it start. Solar panel too. Impressive. Oh, she's a farm special. Come on, baby. Oh, there she goes. Look at that. A little rough, but she'll do. Oh, yeah. Or not. Holding 5 gallons, thanks to OSHA, EPA. You gotta struggle and spill more fuel than you would have normally if it had a vent cap in the back. That's what life's about now. You know? That's what it's about.
Saving the planet.
Saving the planet.
I'm not going to spill any diesel today.
Nope, because there's no vent cap. And it doesn't freaking come out of the can worth of crap. Trying to get our battery situation figured now. This is the ground. I traced it to the bottom. That's our ground. Here's our nasty positive. And she runs over to the mystery battery. And we're going to steal his excursion batteries for now. And got some fuel in it. Maybe change the fuel filter, put a little diesel ATF in there, and start cranking on her. Uncap a couple injector lines. Maybe let her bleed out a little air. And then keep spinning on it until maybe it'll crank. And if you don't want to crank, we'll just shoot a little ether pops, see if she'll go.
Okay.
She got the
Got
diesel
fuel in it.
Got the diesel. It's pretty clean.
Yeah.
Not too bad. So we'll put a little ATF in there and then put a little diesel in there.
All right. Get it up there. Just got to change the angle.
Change the angle. Always works every time. Now we're going to turn it over and see if we can get some fuel come out of these cracked injector lines. See if the old injection pump's working and the lift pump. Yeehaw! Neutral idle. Wow.
Nice work, man.
Hell yeah.
Power steering.
We'll put some ATF in there for now. Man, she's a jewel. So cool.
They gave them an opportunity to step up, and Gary's done a great job with not only the kickoff games, which we'll be in next year against Clemson, 2024. It's going to be a great way to start the college football season.
There you go. Leave it there. Done.
You know,
You're tuned in.
we've had Peach Bowls in the semifinal.
You know?
It's going to be the final in 2024, college football, first year of the playoff system. It'll be a lot of fun. Okay, got a lot forward to looking. Maybe bookend it in Mercedes-Benz, we said last year.
Got everything working. The defrost works, the heat's working, the fan on high is working and low. Premium. We're not going to touch the fuel tank selector. No way. Leave it on front for a while. Mess with that a different day because I know those solenoids are tricky sometimes. But she sounds real good. Sounds real good. I think Hudson's pretty happy.